channel, beautiful. It's Dreamy, and it has been more than a week since I last uploaded a video. I am so sorry. Una-una sa lahat sa sarili ko kasi yeah, I had problems with my phone, and yun, hindi ko nagamit yung phone ko for more than a week. So today finally I got it back, and the first thing na una ko talagang gustong gawin sa phone ko is to film. And also matagal ko nang gusto din gawin itong video na to kasi I have this Nature Republic Blackhead Clear 3-step nose pack, and I wanted to try this to review for you guys, para we can find out together if this product is absolutely worth it, if it does work. So if you want to try this product out with me, please keep on watching. Okay, so yan. Dahil dyan, before anything else, I believe kailangan mo na syempre yung basic skincare routine natin. So I've already cleansed I've already cleansed my face, and now I am going to, well, tone it a little bit, and then mag-moisturize lang ako, and then isusunod na natin itong Nature Republic Blackhead Clear 3-step nose pack, and it looks like that. Let me just show you before I proceed with my skincare routine. It has an elephant dito, and yung 3-step nose pack siya. I've never tried a 3-step nose pack before. Although sa aking blackhead harvesting routine, I do have 2 steps kasi ginagamit ko yung balm ng pure balm ba tawag nun, ng eye white before ko gamitin yung eye white Korean na yung mismong nose pack nila. Pero ito 3 steps siya, and lahat ng nakasulat sa likod Korean, so hindi ko maintindihan, but there are instructions right here. So merong faces ng isang babae little girl, and it looks like parang 15 to 20 minutes each step, so that's gonna take a while. Kaya let's go ahead, simulan na natin to. I'll be right back after my skincare. Okay, there you go, my dear friends. I've already moisturized, toned and then moisturized my face. Let us now proceed to the first step to this nose pack thing. So dito ko lang siya binuksan. Meron siyang parang clear hair, as you can see, yan. So parang siyang may uka, ganun. And then ito yung mismong product. Tumutulo siya, sobrang basang-basa. Tapos medyo may product pa. Meron pa ditong tumutulo. Ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. And, so yun. Lagay lang natin sa ating ilong. So, I guess, like, katulad ng mga masks, it goes both ways naman, no? Kahit pag ganun, pag ganyan. Okay. Yan. Takot lang ako, baka hindi siya masyadong lumikit. Baka konting galaw pa lang matanggal siya. Pero parang, okay naman. So, yun. Masyado po yatang kulang po yata yung ilong ko para sa product na to. So, yun. Dito sabi 15 to 20 minutes. Sige guys, I will be back in 15 to 20 minutes. Bale, ano pala ngayon? It is 8:35. So, mga 8:50 or 8:55, I will be back. Hi guys, I am back, and as you can see, siya na mismo yung nagmamakawala mula sa nose ko, and looks like that. Medyo madumi yung sorry. But, ayun, tutuloy na siya. And I just wanna point out na I love stuff like this. Yung mga nose packs na meron yung pwede dito. Di ba mayroong mga sa instructions sasabihin nila na pwede dito sa cheeks or sa face. Kasi, meron din, hindi ko alam, blackheads ba yun dito? Kasi mukha rin silang blackheads na lighter version. I don't really know exactly kung ano yung sure ng whiteheads, but yun, meron din ako dito or sa jumpers lang yan. I don't know, I feel like they're blackheads din. But before that, let's, proceed to step number 2. And now I cannot find the product. Okay, here it is. Ito na last time. Okay, so dito na tayo sa gitna part. And this one, 10 to 15 minutes lang siya. Medyo mas mabilis. And whoa! It looks like this. So I don't really know if those steps na to, they should be done like in one sitting, in one session, ganyan. But I don't know. So yeah, ito yung sticky na part. I'm sorry, hindi ko na-iba. So ito yung medyo grayish black, ganyan. And then, yan. So ito yung sticky na part. So I'm assuming na ito yung ididikit. Hindi siya super sticky, but once na idikit mo sa face, okay, didikit siya kasi madali siyang dumikit sa skin. But fortunately, hindi siya ganun kadaling dumikit sa fingers, which is a good thing kasi pagka natatanggal yung stickiness niya dahil sa paghamo sa kanya, diba, hindi siya didikit. Possibly na mahirapan na siyang dumikit sa iyong nose. So, that's a good thing, I guess. And, yan, malagay niya lang siya. Barely siya umabot sa cheeks. Nandito lang siya. But, yan. Ano natin? Yeah. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na, well, these are acne scars. But, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, mukha rin silang blackheads. Unfortunately, hindi siya umabot doon. Meron din akong blackheads doon. So, that's kind of sad. Siguro habang, higa kasi ako habang hindi ko yung 10 to 15 minutes. So, right now, it is already, it's almost 9. So, 9:15, I will be updating you guys. And we will be removing this together. Siguro yung hold down ko na lang siyang ganyan while I'm sitting. But I kind of wish na medyo mahaba siya kahit konti-konti lang para lang umabot doon. Baba yung nose ko. Mayroong sa sprat. Nakakatango ba ito, by the way? Kasi napupush niya pababa yung nose. I don't know. But, yeah. I will be back. See you later. Hi guys, I'm finally back. And, so ganito na yung issue niya. It's been 15 minutes. So, 9:15 na. And let's go ahead and remove this. Medyo nahirapan ako kasi maangat talaga siyang ganyan. Kita niyo ba? Hindi siya nakababang ganun. Para sana, syempre makakuha din siya ng blackheads sa support niya yun. But, yeah. Let's go ahead and remove this. Sobrang light lang talaga nung pagkadikit niya. Hindi siya yung sobrang matikit na matikit. And hindi ko masyadong makita sa lighting, but merong konti siyang nakuha. Can you see? Konti ba yan? I guess marami-rami rin. Ayan o. Kita niyo. I'm sorry sa mga kumakain. But, yun. It is now time to proceed to the last step. And, whoa! 5 to 10 minutes lang to. And, it looks like this. I don't know why it looks like this. Para siyang tatlong layer. So, ito. So, I guess, ito yung tatanggalin. And, there's this thing. I don't know if I should remove it. I really don't know if I should remove it. But, ganyan siya. It's so cold. Lamig. So, ito. Wow. I don't know kung tatanggalin ba siya dapat o hindi. Oh my God. Ito ba yung kinakabato or ito? Oh my gosh. Kasi naman Korean yung nakadikit. Yung nakasulat doon. Pero kasi parang ito yung product. Ito yung may product. Tapos ito parang pad lang siya. Tapos yun may parang siyang yun. I don't know what to do. And yun, meron akong theory. I don't know. Kasi parang siguro yung first step, parang siyang yung bomb na prepare ng nose for the nose pack itself. Tapos yung nose pack itself is the second step. Kasi yun talaga yung syempre nakapag-alis ng blackheads. And I guess this last step, parang I don't know, to close up the pores again, I guess. Kasi diba minsan yun yung nakakatakot kapag ka nag-nose pack. Feeling mo bukas na bukas yung pores mo. So, minsan ginagawa ko, nag-ihilamos ako ng malamig. So, maybe that is why malamig to close up the pores. Yeah, I don't know. Kasi marunong ako basta ng Korean, but yeah. Kasi naaalis siya, hindi siya sticky. Hindi siya ganun kadikit. Yes, it is sticky. Malakit siya, pero hindi siya malikit. Okay. So this farm. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Right now it is 9:20 na agad. I guess I'll be back in 9:25. Okay, I'll see you then. Okay, so there you go. It has been 5 minutes since we put this on, and as you can see kung saan sana siya pumunta kasi hindi talaga siya madikit. Malakit lang siya. But let's go ahead and give our final thoughts about the Nature Republic Blackhead Clear 3-step nose pack. And I want to begin with the packaging. It's so cute and sobrang eye-catching na 3 steps siya. It got me very curious kasi I've never used a nose pack na 3-step kasi I white Korea yung ginagamit ko, and just yung mga nabibili sa drugstores, stuff like that. So I got this for 125 pesos pala, I guess around that, 125 pesos I believe. And nakakatuwa kasi matagal yung matagal yung expiration niya. So 2019 pa siya ma-expire. And it smells so good. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung amoy na to eh. Yeah. What's that smell? What's the smell? Okay. So may English pala dito. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Dapat sa simula pa lang ng video natin to, but eto, nahanap ko yung English version ng instructions and everything. So sabi dito, the Blackhead Clear 3-step nose pack softens the pores by effectively removing impurities and both whiteheads and blackheads. That's awesome. From the pores, through a step-by-step management of opening up and closing the pores. So, tama pala yung theory natin kanina. Yung step 1, para sa pag-open ng pores. Last step, para pag-close ng pores. So, sabi dito, step 1, the sheet softens old, stubborn, dead skin cells and helps remove impurities from the pores. So, that is why, if you remember, nung pinakita ko sa inyo yung, ito yun, ito yung first, sheet thing, and sobrang tuyong-tuyo na siya ngayon. And if you can see, hindi na siya pure white kasi medyo natanggal na yung mga dumi-dumi sa ilong ko. So, that is why yun pala siya. So, yun. And step 2, the sheet effectively removes hard sebum inside the pores with charcoal substance that has absorptive power. So charcoal is known for its power to remove yung mga blackheads, whiteheads, mga impurities sa skin. And pretty cool because I've been wanting to get a charcoal blackhead remover, but meron din pala to, so that's a win. And step 3, the sheet helps tighten up the pores by providing a cooling feel to the temporarily open pores in the process of removing sebum. Okay, so tama pala yung theory natin. So, they're not just theories now, they're facts now. Na yung last step, tama din tayo doon. So, may cooling effect siya kasi diba kapag malamig yung in-apply natin sa ating skin, nagko-close up yung pores or nagta-tighten. So, that's exactly what the step 3 thing said. And, okay, so I believe medyo mali yung mga ginawa ko kanina. But, tingnan natin ha. Dapat pala ganito siya. So, step 1, after washing your face, place the cotton mask and remove after 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2, wet the areas around your nose with water. So, that pala wet yung paligid ng nose. I guess, para dumikit lalo. Kasi ganun yung sa IY Korea, I believe. Oh my goodness. Kaya siguro hindi siya masyadong madikit. So, remove both ear films. I'm sorry. Okay, so wet the areas around your nose with water and make sure hands are dry as taking the nose back off the clear film. Put it on your nose and gently peel it off after 10 to 15 minutes when the pack is dry. Step 3, remove both clear films from sides of the product and put it on your nose for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so doon lang tayo nagkamali sa step 2, hindi ko binasa yung nose ko. I'm pretty sure, lalo siyang magiging madikit kung ginawa ko yun. But, unfortunately, hindi ko yun nagawa. But, guys, honestly, I'm just going to take my mirror here and check kasi dun sa, ito kasi yung step 2, tingnan mo, ayan, dumikit na silang lahat. Itong blocking step 2. And I can definitely see that it was able to take off some blackheads from my face. And, ayan. So, marami pa rin sila. But, I guess, hindi naman talaga sila tatanggal ng isang session lang, diba? But, marami naman yung nakuha ng product. So, I'm definitely going to I'm definitely going to recommend the Nature Republic Blackhead Clear 3-step nose pack. So, I know, I understand it is a little bit pricey compared to the counterparts that we have sa mga drugstores, and very accessible kasi ito sa Nature Republic na talaga siya bibilhin. They're very accessible yung mga IY Korea products, yung mga beauty fix, beauty treats, yung mga ganon na madalas sa Watsons, SM, sa mga 7-Eleven, ganyan. But what I love about this is yun, hindi ko siya na-wet, hindi siya masyadong lumikit sa skin ko, but ang dami pa rin yung nakuha. And the fact that yung proper way ng pagtanggal ng blackheads. Nandun yung pag-tighten ng pores. Para sa akin yun yung pinaka-importante. Bukod pa dun sa pag-open up ng pores dun sa step 1. Kasi kapag naiwan yung pores na bukas, we are doing this, diba, para to have better skin. We are trying to remove our blackheads and whiteheads and stuff like that. And kung may iwan lang yung pores natin na bukas, mag-worsen lang yung skin, magbubukas yung pores, and pwede silang maklog, right? Lalo lang na hindi bubuti yung ating skin. So, imbes na skincare yung naganap, skin disaster. So, yun. I want to recommend this product to you if you want to kind of splurge a little bit. Hindi naman talaga siya totally splurge, although kung isang gamitan lang siya, yes, it's kind of a medyo pricey na talaga siya, but it's absolutely worth it in my opinion, my personal opinion. If you guys have tried this product, please let me know in the comment section. Let's go ahead and talk about this product because I really love reading your comments down there. Also, what else do I want to say? Yeah, I was kind of surprised in sa fact na it can also remove whiteheads, which is yung siguro yung mga nandito sa cheeks, and that's also very important. Hindi lang blackheads kasi yung meron ako sa aking face. There was one sales lady sa Watson's, I think, or SM. Sinabi niyo sa akin na ang dami ko daw whiteheads, and hindi ko alam kung ano itsura ng whiteheads. Parang pag tinitingnan ko yung mukha ko, acne scars, and blackheads lang yung nakikita ko. I don't know kung ano itsura ng whiteheads. But, although syempre hindi niya ako napabili doon sa ganong approach niya, medyo offensive. But, just kidding. But, yeah, so importante din sa akin yun, other than blackheads. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. It has been a while and I'm looking forward to doing even more videos. Magmamarathon ako ng pag-film because I missed doing this so much. Filming is one of the things that made me, one of the few things that made me absolutely happy na talagang even when I'm super down, mag-film lang ako, okay na yung pakiramdam ko. So, yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon, and that's it. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos like this. I do makeup, skincare videos, and sometimes I vlog as well kapag medyo nawawala yung hinya ko, I guess. But thank you again for your time. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate that you made an effort to click on this video at least, and I hope that you go forth and do 5 months. Alright, see you next time.